Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off gaming focus on the iPhone 14 series running iOS 16. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. In here, touch and hold on the focus item. Then tap on gaming. This will allow you to turn on gaming focus. You can see here when I turn on gaming focus, it shows at the top here there is a gaming focus icon. Just gonna tap on that button. For some reason it's trying to record the screen. And if I swipe down to open up the control center, I can tap on that focus and then tap on gaming to switch it off. So that is how you can turn on or turn off gaming focus on the iPhone 14 series. Now you can also touch and hold onto gaming, then tap on the more button and then tap on settings. In here you can configure what to do while gaming focus is on. You can choose the people or the apps that can send you notifications during this focus. You can also pair your focus, the gaming focus, with a particular lock screen. So you can choose which lock screen to use when you are in a gaming mode, and you can also choose which home screen to use when you are playing game. For example, this one here, and then tap on add. And now you can see that if I go back into my gaming mode, so when gaming is on, you can see I have a different background right here. And if I turn off gaming, so if I switch it off, then you can see my wallpaper will go back to the normal background or normal settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.